Ahora que,
Uy, tiró un acento ahí, acento rarito.
ahora que el AI nos va a destruir en
Sí,
2
boludo.
años.
El otro día tenía que terminar una cosa de coding y no
Mate,
encontraba
are we
la...
in the shop?
¿Ah?
Are we in the shop?
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
You will see yourself.
Hello. Am I live? Where were they?
In YouTube.
Am I live? You're making YouTube videos?
Yeah.
I want to follow you.
I should.
And where is it? Where is?
It's both ways.
Oh,
Yeah. Then I upload the video in 360, so you can choose the camera you want. Or and then I edit it, so I can fix the angle the way I want. Yeah. So. And the last time I did a video was a long time ago because I was doing Frankfurt all the time. And Frankfurt is boring, and I did so many videos already in Frankfurt. So.
I want to fly with you now always. You take everyone always, yeah?
Yeah.
Because you need content.
No, it's not because of that. Even during the flights, it's not like a promoted. I just make the videos.
Just memories.
Yeah, so my family can see my friends. And
No, that's good. Like I would love to also, you know. You do all the job and my family will see.
yeah, yeah, true. Say hi.
Hi.
The city looks like a set, television set, a studio. You see, like it could easily be like just a wall and nothing behind, like a TV studio.
Yeah, true. It looks like it's just the only street of the city.
These all are actors, extras.
Hijo de puta, poneme pelo, boludo.
Así.
It's the same. So you film everything and then you just cut.
I don't cut much.
Really? So it's like
Only if we say
6
something
hours?
very mean, like YouTube can
You said it's your first time.
forbids me. But usually no. The battery lasts very long, so usually the videos are like over 45.
That's my only Japanese game.
I can film more, but sometimes I get tired of holding.
Because last time
You wanna see these little dudes inside? They have a naked Poseidon. If you wanna go inside, you can go.
What's this, mate?
It's just like part before a museum. You can see the statues and
Oh, I see now.
it's naked,
I'm done with the
naked
statues.
mythology guys.
Naked.
You wanna see, but you know, like all the mythology
wait,
was like
wait.
it was cold when it was there. Yes. You wanna go inside, guys, or we continue?
If you go to the inside, there is a basement, and there is a guy with this stuff. He's still there.
Is that true?
Urban legend.
Legends Day. Esta cosa ahí. Rocco.
Te tirarlo.
You will see
we invaded Germany.
in here and Hamburg, you see a lot of Ukrainian flags. Beautiful.
Flag?
Yeah, it has the colors of my team, so yeah.
Madrid.
Boca Juniors.
Boca Juniors. Max Joseph Platz.
Boca.
Claro, boludo, los rusos invadieron Ucrania y de repente todos los países de Europa son ucranianos.
Alta alianza. Y no mandamos soldados, pero le mandamos armamento a
No,
morir.
pero digo, le ponemos la bandera allá atrás, como que todo esto ahora es Ucrania.
Todo. Y igual creo que Europa sigue siendo más chiquito que Rusia.
Todo lo que toca la serie.
Si unís toda Europa, creo que sigue siendo más chiquito que Rusia.
Pero en el medio no hay que checar. Una vuelta nos tocó un vuelo volviendo de San Fran a Belén
Sí.
y volvíamos al oeste de Munich. Cuando volamos Moscú. Era mierda blanca por todos lados. Era nieve y nieve y nieve y nieve y nieve. No había
Sí,
una puta
creo que fue el único lugar posta que nevó este invierno. Porque acá en Alemania no nevó nunca, boludo. cayeron 2 gotitas de hielo. Pero nevar, como siempre nevaba en otros años, no. Por eso mi teoría es que este verano va a ser
Because she was doing 3
Gonna buy a Rolex, guys.
per month.
Gonna buy a Rolex.
35.
Gonna buy a Rolex.
¿Cuándo
está?
When I become older.
Maybe in
When I become sugar daddy material, I think I'll be able to buy 38,000.
But they don't have any
Pero son los nuevos, o sea, los que están en manguitas son los que ya no se hacen más.
Este de poner en la caja fuerte.
When I live in
Te hacen la inversión, vos lo compras ahora a 10.000 euros
Debe poner 6 años en la caja fuerte
y después lo vendés a 40.000 euros.
y genera creo que 7-8% por año en Rolex. An open, it gives you more than keeping in the bank.
Yeah, it's a good investment. If you have money to buy, now it's the best.
And the euro is quite low, so imagine if you buy it, let's say in 5 years, maybe the euro goes back to 130, 140. You are just like actually making a better deal.
You can get tax refund as well.
Yeah.
It's much cheaper than Dubai.
We can have a beer here, right? And then we continue our path.
If you speak the language, you can get into their minds.
Guys, you want to have a quick stop, like 1 beer? And then we continue?
I don't know, you are boss. You tell us.
No, you guys. You feel like having a beer or...
I don't think it's
Well,
gonna get...
€1 is 50.
If you keep 1 peso now, it will become a...
Babe, I was joking with him that they're
Zero,
selling,
zero, 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 zero.
they're selling the coins, like they say we have a coin is similar to the 1 euro, but it's 1 peso.
Acá viene Rolando Handlin de vuelta, mira. This guy was saying he's a leader of the second. He's been, we saw him already around.
The wife as well.
Yeah, I think he's recruiting.
You might,
Should I join?
No. You will never come back. Yeah, the coins are like they are being like melted because the metal from
metal
the coin
is
It
more,
works more than the
than the
actual
coin.
value.
It's crazy.
Taxi?
te da el panorama de taxi.
Panamera.
Panamera eso.
Panamá. Panamá taxi.
Panorama y Romania.
Mirá esta casita.
Sí.
Casona.
Is it far?
No, it's over there.
Next spot, ¿no?
Ahí en Sartoma me acordé de vos que estaban
Pero shoes here.
Yeah.
You don't have US visa?
Sneakers. I do, but I haven't submitted it. I will submit it next month.
Ah, but you don't have it officially.
Officially not.
Okay. Because to buy shoes in
Yeah,
US,
but
come on,
it's still cheaper. In level shoes, they're like 700 dirhams, and here they're gonna be like 110. Maybe with this bonus, I don't fucking care.
Nah, come on, don't be like that.
No, I'm joking.
Don't be like that.
But honestly,
This
it came at a wrong time for me.
this is a gift, and you should be smart about it.
True, but it came at a wrong time because in February I bought an apartment and I already did the whole loan and everything, and now this money comes.
Well, but invested in the house, I don't know if you need new furniture or...
No, but the apartment is on Airbnb already. It's in Bucharest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, at least keep it. It's a way to recover. I don't know how much you spend, but take it as, okay, I recovered 10%
Yeah.
or
No,
something.
my mom is like put it like paying more of the loan, instead
Yeah.
of the normal loan. But then I'm like, yeah, but it's liquidity, it just buys like that. And what the loan is, Airbnb itself covers my loan,
So you're actually not losing,
Yeah.
and this bonus
paying
money
off
is
myself.
a plus.
Yeah, that's why.
It's a plus. So don't spend it.
Yeah, but I want some.
Yeah, anyway, 700 is not like it's gonna
No,
damage.
yeah, but I don't want 700. I want a bag. I want.
It's not gonna damage.
700 is like pocket.
Okay, we're going inside this. Look, inside this place, it looks like a church.
Half proud.
Yeah, it looks like a church, but it's not. Come on. This is the place. We should find
Find it our
think we should look for it. Very helpful. Imagine in Emirates. Where's my seat? Look for it. I would love to say that in Emirates. Where's my seat? I don't know. You find it. You book it, don't think. El John me dice, búscalo vos, me dice. Ah, bueno. Gracias, amigo. Pero tenés una mesa para nosotros. Búscalo vos, me dice.
Ah, era servicio.
Sí, sí.
Olvidaste.
Olvidaste. Okay, we can continue.
Agarra cualquier mesa, si no pasa nada. El papelito de regazo.
Se lo saco a la mierda. ¿Afuera?
Claro, es que el Pablán, el boludo, vamos, el Pablán, le falta la mesa a los boludos.
A ver, afuera. Vamos a apretar a la señora a ver si es mejor onda. So American. All the tables are reserved.
Where are you from? Do you have a reservation?
No.
No, then this area is all reservation.
Yeah.
So you gotta head over to the entrance hall or outside.
Okay, so it's from the van to the other.
Let's go outside. Yeah, it's outside.
Okay, ¿es de afuera o de la banda para el otro lado?
Vamos afuera, vamos afuera. Afuera tiene que haber seguro. It was recorded and I was crazy. Usually you find them after walking 1 minute, but this is all reserved. It's crazy. But we should find a place here outside.
They should give us anything.
Yeah. Let's keep kind of.
Here?
Because they can't get for medical.
I didn't know here.
Yeah, but here is very ground floor is open. Yeah. Find me a table.
Here? Inside? Or it's not the same place?
I don't know what this is about.
¿Por qué no está vacío? Yo pensé que te había sacado acá por alguna cosa particular.
It's recording.
Thanks for recording. Yeah, guys, up to normal.
Camera is on, so I don't know what to
It was
Okay,
on all the
I
time.
think it's better if you stand
On
up.
all the time.
Hey, front of this one.
And then you will have it from the
Maybe another bonus.
No, but
I'm telling her to shake her feet.
For the camera.
The camera will look like.
It's gonna fall down.
Or it's gonna go more up.
We didn't. I didn't see anything. Did you see anything? Did you see anything?
But it wasn't a performance for everybody. It was just for one person.
Only for her.
I wasn't only for me.
What do we miss? What do we miss? What did she know?
She didn't even realize it was for her only.
She said, well, are you resigning tomorrow?
Might think about it.
¿Qué hiciste?
Che facciamo?
Le está haciendo tipo... I don't know, she's not twerking. I didn't see that, I don't know.
Twerking. Schnitzel twerking.
Twerkit.
Twerkito.
poquito.
All because I was
The things